Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make some medicinal pancakes. I'm using lion's mane for the brain. This is a great brain stimulator. Where's my top? There it is. So I'm going to grind that up in my grinder. That sounds good to me. Oh, it's ground up nicely. I'm going to put that into my pancake mix. I have pancake mix that you would just use water, usually. That's the type of pancake mix I'm using. So I've got my lion's mane in my pancake mix, and I have some Chaga mushroom all ground up. I'm going to put about the same amount as the lion's mane. It's whatever you prefer. I got my pan heating, and I'm going to use my rosehip oil. So this is loaded with vitamin C. This is what I made my rosehip oil with for cooking, is rose hips infused in the infusion machine with olive oil. So there we go, we got that in there now. And I'm going to, instead of using water for my pancake, I'm going to use Chaga tea. So now I've got in here my pancake mix, my ground up chaga, my ground up lion's mane. They're both to a powder. And instead of using water, I use chaga tea. Make sure your tea's not hot though. That's a cool tea. I'm going to add just a little bit more tea. This back on the burner, heating up the rosehip oil. So the rosehip oil is a huge shot of vitamin C and great for inflammation. The chaga repairs the DNA. So this is great for everything in your body. And lion's mane is for the brain. It's brain stimulation and it grows new brain cells. So here we go. There's my medicinal pancake cooking. You can see it's a lovely brown color. And this is going to cook exactly like a pancake would cook, no different. And I'm going to use this beautiful maple syrup. These are the people that make it. Get a hold of them, guys. It's so beautiful. I bought some of their honey last week. Oh my, the honey is just insane. It's so great. They have everything. That's them. That's this. Yeah, get that. So I'm going to use that because that's medicine. Definitely yummy medicine. So my pancake's cooking nicely. I think I'm going to turn it up a little bit. So I'm going to use that yummy stuff from them people. It's a husband and wife, and ooh la la. I really like them. I met her or his mother and father a couple weeks ago. Love them too. Really nice people. Okay, so I'm gonna probably flip this. Oh it's perfect. Okay, I'll let you take a peek at it. There it is there, frying up nicely, like a pancake should. Just lovely. So this will be a medicinal pancake. I'm going to use real butter. Yeah, real butter. If you don't like butter, then you can use coconut oil. Or I've even, actually maybe what I'll do this time, I've done it many, many times, instead of using the butter, I'm going to use my rosehip oil on top of the pancake with the maple syrup. That's healthier. I'm going to do that. That's what I'm doing. Let's check the bottom. Perfect. That didn't go up. There we go. Medicinal pancake. Yummy in your tummy. Make it. Take it.